Since opening trading to all users in 2020, PayPal has been expanding its cryptocurrency business. It's allowed US customers to pay with cryptocurrency and has increased its crypto buy limit over the past years. It may also offer its own stablecoin in the future. Thanks for watching CryptoLine. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
PayPal's SVP of Crypto and Digital Currencies, Jose Fernandez, confirmed in an interview that the online payment provider is exploring a stablecoin. He also stated that if and when it seeks to move forward, the company will work closely with relevant regulators. A developer named Steve Moser discovered and shared with Bloomberg hidden code and images for a PayPal coin in the company's app. According to his findings, the PayPal coin will be backed by the US dollar. It may also include the PayPal logo with 2 horizontal slashes across it, though this may change once the coin is released, assuming it is released at all. According to a spokesperson for the company's blockchain, crypto, and digital currencies advisor, the tidbits Moser discovered in the app were leftovers from an internal hackathon. Stablecoins are currencies that are backed by fiat currencies and are, well, more stable than their decentralized counterparts. Meta, formerly Facebook, also has big crypto plans, including the launch of a digital wallet that will support its own stablecoin, DM. However, due to regulatory opposition, it launched the cryptocurrency wallet Novi with the stablecoin Pax Dollar instead. Before moving on to the rest of the video, we'd like to point out to recent data that shows that the total NFT sales have seen an 80 times increase between 2020 and now. It's without a doubt that NFT technology is going to radically change the world, and we're currently at the beginning of a new era of the internet with the innovation of Web3. Because we're early though, the technology is a little clunky and confusing, and the scams are dangerous if you don't know what to look out for. That's why NFTs for All has created an educational platform to learn how to get started with NFTs, and you can sign up for free with a link in the description below. Recently, the Dogecoin price analysis reveals that the market is in the midst of a strong bullish trend. The price of Dogecoin on January 13th was 16.1 cents. Dogecoin's value has increased significantly as the cost of the meme cryptocurrency has experienced a strong uptrend. On January 14th, the price increased from 17.2 cents to 20.8 cents before falling the next day. On January 15th, it increased slightly to 18 cents, which quickly rose to 18.1 cents on the same day. The price of Dogecoin is fluctuating, with a meme coin currently trading at around 18 cents. Dogecoin price analysis reveals that market volatility is on the rise, implying that the cryptocurrency's value has become more vulnerable to volatile change. The market appears to have been squeezed in recent days, resulting in exploding volatility that may worsen over time. The upper limit of the Bollinger Band is at 19.8 cents, representing the strongest resistance for Doge. The lower limit of the Bollinger Band, on the other hand, is at 14.3 cents, which serves as the strongest support for Doge. The Doge USD price appears to be crossing over the moving average curve, indicating a bullish trend. Tracing the Doge USD price path, we can also deduce that a future reverse trend is possible, with the price moving downwards. The price could soon fall below the moving average curve, reversing the market dynamic. The relative strength index is at 62, indicating that the cryptocurrency is about to enter the overbought zone. However, the RSI score appears to be rising, indicating that an increase in the value of Doge and the possibility of a reversal. The RSI score rises as the buying activity outnumbers the selling activity. Following the Dogecoin price analysis, we can conclude that the meme cryptocurrency has begun to follow a strong bullish trend and is on track to reach its goal of 19 cents. Although the market has shown bullish momentum, it's also demonstrated some bearish opportunities. If the bear sees this opportunity, Doge will be in a pickle, and with volatility on the rise, it's anyone's game. The king of meme coins was recently removed from the top 10 cryptocurrency list after Polkadot surpassed it. Apparently, the altcoin is refusing to back down and is vying for 10th place again. This is despite the fact that the difference between the market value of DOT and Doge is about $3 billion. Given the current state of the market, it appears that Dogecoin may be able to reclaim its position fairly soon, provided it's truly enjoying the spotlight from the Doge father. Elon Musk's renowned company Tesla displayed Doge as a possible payment method on their store page for a few of its products, one of which is a 300 Doge stainless steel collectible whistle. If it ain't crazy, it ain't crypto, as the saying goes. However, based on the overwhelming response from the community, the concept appears to be a success. Not only is the company's social media exploding, but the meme coin's price has been rising, potentially breaking the downtrend once and for all. Up by over 14% in the last 7 days, the coin is currently oscillating in a critical zone that previously helped to consolidate Doge. However, if it can test the upper trend line as support, it'll be in good shape going forward. Despite the fact that the events were a catalyst, Doge's rally can be traced back to the network's bullish performance. According to on-chain analysis, demand has been increasing since the beginning of 2022. The network's transaction activity has more than doubled in just 10 days. Another piece of good news is that Dogecoin's whale activity is decreasing. Their activity in December was a cause for concern, as their transactions nearly reached $28 billion in one day. This month, the figure has dropped to $1.13 billion, and investors are hoping that trend continues. As a result, the combination of these events has caused the altcoin's value to rise once more. Close to the dollar mark, Doge demonstrates how it remains a socially dependent token and how it still requires a more functional foundation to take on larger problems and demands in the future. If anyone concentrates on the most popular digital currencies and zooms out a little on their prices, the gains that have been recorded become even more impressive. For instance, back in 2021, nearly every cryptocurrency that used Dogecoin's Shiba Inu dog breed as inspiration or the face of its campaign performed exceptionally well. Between early November 2020 and early May 2021, Dogecoin gained approximately 27,000% in a 6-month period. However, the gains have been even greater for Doge holders who've been patient. CoinMarketCap notes that a single Doge token could have been purchased for way less than a penny 8 years ago. However, at the time of recording, Dogecoin was trading at 17 cents. By removing 3 zeros, one of the world's most popular digital currencies increased by more than 37,000%. To put this into perspective, if an investor bought $100 worth of Dogecoin on December 22, 2013, and simply held it through periods of wild volatility, such a person will have around $37,000 today. That appears to be a better return than the S&P 500 since the beginning of 1965, and it took 48 fewer years to get there. Over the last 8 years, a number of catalysts have lit a fire under Dogecoin. However, the majority of its upward momentum can be traced back to the previous 12 months. The support of Tesla CEO Elon Musk is the most visible and obvious catalyst for Dogecoin. The self-proclaimed Doge father isn't above tweeting Shiba Inu-themed memes, implying Dogecoin can go to the moon. Dogecoin is also one of the 3 cryptocurrencies currently held by the world's wealthiest individuals. The richest man in the world had also tweeted that he was working with Dogecoin developers to improve and competitively position the blockchain-based network. Investors in Dogecoin are also rallying around its growing utility. Cryptwork, an online business directory, reports that nearly 2,000 merchants now accept Dogecoin as payment. Doge is also accepted for select merchandise at Tesla and is one of the small number of crypto payment options available online at movie theater chain AMC Entertainment. The fear of missing out is clearly a factor as well. With crypto investors witnessing Bitcoin skyrocketing more than 8 billion% at one point in just over 11 years, they believe anything is possible. They're particularly drawn to the psychological target of Doge reaching $1. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and turn on bell notifications. Also, make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below. If you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.